Thank you to our Ghanaian customer for purchasing EA640F2 Indoor HD LED display. EA640F2 Indoor HD LED display offers stunning visuals, suitable for a wide range of fixed indoor installations, including commercial displays, conference rooms, and exhibition halls. It provides crisp, detailed image quality, meeting high-end display requirements. EA640F2 Indoor High-Definition LED display has anti-slip grooves on the back and space for wiring is reserved on the side, which can perfectly hide the power cord and signal cable into the cabinet, making it more beautiful. EA640F2 Indoor HD LED display features a front-facing design, allowing the control panel, power supply, and modules to be easily accessed with tools.